Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. I'm a professional graphic designer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design this A letter using our own custom grid. To create this type of grid, we're going to use the pen tool. But before I'm going to use that pen tool, let me show you the colors which I'm going to use with this logo design, which is going to be a letter A. And we're going to use this color, and for background we're going to use this gradient color. If I click here, so you can see the first gradient color in hex and the second gradient color. To create our own custom grid, we're going to use the pen tool. By holding down the shift key, we're going to make the straight line. By holding the alt key, I'm going to make the copy. Control D to duplicate that. We're going to align it, Control G, group it, and we need some copies, so we need to go to the edit and click on copy, and here we need to paste in place, and I'm going to right click and rotate that to 65 degrees. Put this right here. Let's increase the stroke size for this, and also here I'm going to select this, Control C, Control V, and we're going to right click and click on reflect. Click on OK. Control C, Control V. Get the ship builder tool and click here. We're going to make it look like A letter. And also the style is mostly close to the pixel style. Let's ungroup that and group this as well. And here, by holding down the shift key, I'm going to select my letter. Select this by holding down the shift key. Let's select this. Control G, group it. Get the eyedropper tool and apply that here. Let's scale this and put it on the center of the artboard. Now I want to add the background. To add the background, we're going to use this rectangle 3000 by 2000 pixel, and I'm going to get eyedropper tool and apply this. Let's see if it looks good. For this, I'm going to change the background something. Let's try to go with something. This is going to good look, looks good. So this is how we use Adobe Illustrator to make this kind of letters, creating our own custom grid. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.